In 2029, a research team discovered a mysterious signal coming from the bottom of the Pacific Ocean. At first, they thought it was a whale, but the sound repeated every 13 seconds, perfectly, like something was trying to communicate. So a deep-sea crew was sent down to investigate. At 11,000 meters below sea level, their submarine lights finally revealed something massive in the darkness. It wasn't a rock. It wasn't a shipwreck. It was moving. Then suddenly, the signal stopped.